Hello there, welcome to the channel, welcome back perhaps, and today we're doing a little bit more of something that we kind of stumbled into last time we were rehearsing, which is just having a bit of fun with how things sound in the studio compared to how they sound when we record them directly into line. So we've got a pedal board that we built to try out some new pedals that we got last year, the Artifakt. Oops, what did I just push there? That's what I pushed. Okay, let's take it back to where it was. The Artifakt, which we got last year, and the R1. We have a few different settings that we've got there. We've been using this for some recording as well. We'll also try out some of the different fuzz tones here, but basically the plan today is to just run through some fun things on the pedal board and see how it actually sounds in the studio. So where we will start, nobody knows right now. But let's dive in, have some fun. Okay, got the contrabass all set up here now. Let's give it some volume. First of all, let's see how it sounds in the room without any fuzz at all. Not so impressive. Let's add that fuzz back in. There she is. Very nice. Let's just have a listen to some of these other positions that we've been enjoying. Have we got that turned on? Yeah, we seem to be getting quite a lot of noise there from the tonguing, but let's just check we've got all of that set okay. Yep. Okay. So let's go down to this one. Yep, that's the one there. Yep, always a noticeable difference there. Didn't notice a huge difference between those guys. Maybe it's more of a high register thing. We'll have a listen back later. And finally, back to where we were. That one has a combination of like the rawness that we love and balance of frequencies. Lovely stuff. Okay, so from here on out, we are not going to be talking so much. We're just going to be hitting buttons on pedals and seeing how it all goes. Let's start with the good old NightSky, and we're just going to do a quick comparison of our two settings that we usually use first. Okay, that was a nice bit of fun. Let's get into a quick little thing with the artifact. What we have here is bit crushing mode, a setting that we made which we felt wasn't too obvious bit crushing, but was sufficiently degraded that it added something to the tone. And then there's the option of adding a chorus here. So. Okay, I think it's pretty clear that that is a very special friend there. Especially with the chorus on, but even without, lovely. Now, what we're going to do here is transition to the R1, and basically we've got our simple spring setting teed up to go here. So we're going to add that to the artifact, and then we're going to take out the artifact. and try some different things on the R1. So, here we go.